day, everyone. And now, let's discuss about the Module 15, which is the results influence in legislation, unraveling the results law and related controversies. Let's proceed to the activity, which is we will give our results law impact on cultural preservation and national identity. So the Rizal Law is a law in the Philippines that requires school to teach about the life and works of Rizal. Okay, this law is katong ning nakuha ni siya nga law is katong miagi pa nga panahon recent kayud mga early 2000s nga sa mga universities butangan gid og subject nga life and works of Rizal. Mao ni siya ang nagkuan. This law has impact on cultural preservation of national identity. Kani man gud siya nga law, it help us people to understand the life of Rizal. Of course, he is our national hero. So dapat lang guro nga istudyahan nato yung mga works of para pag nabalik ta sa history kung unsa gyud nahitabo ato nga time. Ang impact ana sa tuwa is for us to understand the life and work of Rizal para pod may contribution sa atong life or naputoy makuha nga learning as a student. So yeah, next.
Okay. The Rizal Law, also known as Republic Act Number 1425, holds a significant in the history of the Philippines. So his life, works, and writings have left an indelible mark on the cultural preservation. So national identity and educations in the Philippines, Rizal play a crucial role in the Philippine struggle for independence from Spanish colonial rule, and his ideas, writings, and actions have influenced the nation's and the history. That's all.
Yes.
So Rizal Law, officially known as Republic Act Number 1425, had a significant role impacts also to our cultural preservation, national identity, and education in the Philippines. So, why nga nung always some student wala pa tan-aware before because nagareklamo ba yata nung anong kinahanglan ba nga nung studihan ng Juan ni Rizal ang iyahang life before nga wala man tay kanang wala man tay ana kanang pakialam like ana wala tay appeal unsaon po doy nato ni pag-apply in case if ever mangmatag trabaho mo na kadalasan nato ang ingon before, but also we as this module emphasize the importance of studying the life of Rizal, or it is important to study his contribution for us nga awaken ta sayang mga sacrifices, sayang life, sayang sacrifices for the Filipino people. More siya ang murag about the law of Rizal. That's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, Rizal Law impact on cultural preservation and national identity. So, the Rizal Law, mao na siyang which mandates the study of the life, works, and writings of Jose Rizal in Philippine schools. And kani kay had a significant impact on cultural preservation and national identity. So, by requiring the inclusion of Rizal teaching in the curriculum, the law has helped preserve and promote Filipino cultural heritage. It has provided students with a deeper understanding of Rizal ideals, his fight for social justice, and his love for the Philippines. And through studying Rizal, students develop a sense of national identity and pride as they learn about the struggles and achievements of their forefathers, mga kanunuan. So the Rizal Law has played a crucial role in fostering a collective appreciation for Filipino history, culture, and values, contributing to the preservation of the national identity and the promotion of cultural heritage. That's all.
So Rizal Law impact on cultural preservation and national identity. So from the word cultural preservation, katong dito yun na niya nga buhaton kay tungod para dili naton malimtan kung unsang ang mga nahitabo sa una nga panahon nga madala pod nato hantud karon dili lang dala og
So the Rizal Life and Work and the curriculum has helped foster a sense of national identity among Filipinos. Rizal is considered a symbol of patriotism, and his writing emphasizes the importance of love for country, social justice, and pursuit of freedom. Studying Rizal work has helped instill these values in Filipino studies, contributing to a stronger sense of national identity and pride.
So the Rizal Law contributes to the preservation and promotion of Filipino cultural identity to develop a stronger sense of Filipino pride and cultural heritage.
So now let's give our answer about this or our insight. So what is results law impact on education? For me ha, as a student nga nag-learn ani nga subject, ang impact nga sa ko is I will not forget about what happened in that time of Rizal. Because during mga discussions, mga kuan, dagan di kog na-learn about sa life ni Rizal nga sa una wala ko ipaki nga national hero man na siya, nganong ana. So it helps the student develop the learning about the life of Rizal. Murag dili gina-preserve niya ang alaala ni Rizal, ang culture, ang nahitabo ato nga time. Because ngano kalimtan man nato nang nindot kay nga mga works ni Rizal, right? Murag magpahinomdom sa to na isa ka tao nga kaya ta ipaglaban siya. Gipaglaban ta sa mga Espanyol and kaning gihatagan gibuhat ang tanan para magkaroon ta og freedom. And next,
Okay, the Rizal Law had a profound impact on the educational system in the Philippines. So, by providing the study of national literatures, Rizal novels, No Limitang Here, and El Filibusterismo, it became an integral to the curricular of schools, university. So, fostering a deeper appreciations and ensure that students across all educational levels gain a knowledge about the Rizal contributions to Philippines history and cultures. That's 8.
So the impact of Rizal life and works and writings in all educational institutions, this was aimed to be being a patriotism and nationalism. So dapat maging makabayan ta or much love must love na to ato ang country. So in nationalism and the pride of Filipino heritage. So it helps us promoting the awareness of the Philippines history, the struggles and independence, contributing to our present preservation of country and the cultural identity. That's all.
So same question, Rizal law impact on education. So the Rizal law in the Philippines has significant influence education by mandating the study of Jose Rizal's life, works, and writings. This enriches the curriculum, providing students with a deeper understanding of Philippine history and the national identity. So studying Rizal exposes students to critical thinking, empathy, and appreciation for their ancestor struggles. And the law encourages social issues reflection, civic responsibility, and a love for country. Results teaching inspire active participation in shaping the Philippines' future. Thank you.
yes, Jasmine.
Rizal Law impact on education. So from the word impact, unsa na impact sa education sa tua? It regards sa kanang na-learn nato dili lang sa mga work ni Rizal but also kung yun sa ni Rizal pag influence sa tua on how to be uneducated. Being educated is not kanang focus is only in learning in academically but also in morality. Kung unsaon nato pag love sa ato ang country, kung unsa nato paglaban ang atong country nga dili ta matapagkapakan sa laing tao, nga dili ta kanang anon kay tungod kay wa dili ta educated. So mao lang to. Dagan siya mga impact nga makuan.
So for me is the Rizal Law promotes the development of national identity and patriotism among Filipino students. By studying Rizal life and works, students gain a deeper appreciation for the Philippine history, culture, and values. And also, I learned about Rizal is love for his country and his efforts for fight for independence and social reform.
The Rizal Law provides an opportunity to fostering a sense of civic responsibility and ethical behavior. Rizal serve as a role model and inspiring them to be active participants in nation building and advocates for positive change.
Okay, so thank you, Marjeline. So now let's proceed to the controversy surrounding the Rizal Law. So during nag-implement na siya is, ang controversy ana is, nag-argue gani if na kana siya nga law is dili man gud daw na dili daw kana nga prove nga mo kani murag mulalom gani atong kaalaman it because murag dili po siya kayo wala dira tanan ng ideas ang principles ni Rizal. And also ang gi-argue ana nga kuan is dili lang dapat ta mag-focus kay Rizal. Dayon kay mga debate ana ang controversies nga dapat ganon si Rizal lang. Nganong wala ang story ni Bonifacio, ang life ni Bonifacio ngano nag-focus lang daw na siya nga subject or kuan nga law about lang jud kay Rizal. Ngano si Rizal lang ang gibuhatan ana nga law. Mao na ang mga controversies ang mga controversies gid ato nga panahon murag gi-argue gi-debatean gid nila ba kung nganong kana kay Rizal lang nganong wala pay lain nga mga heroes di man tag heroes like nila Mabini nila Bonifacio nganong wala daw sila. So that's all.
Okay. The Rizal Law has also faced controversy and debate. So, opposition from religious institutions, political, and others debate in the legislative chambers. So, the controversy surrounding Rizal Law revealed challenges in balancing national identity with religious sensitivities. That's all.
So, the Rizal Law has a lasting positively important and also to our cultural preservation and nationalism. So, it identifies as an education in the Philippines. So, it shaped the way of Filipinos how to perceive the history or the heritage of our country. That's
So the controversies surrounding the Rizal Law. So with some questions, its implementation and impact on the curriculum. Critics argue that mandating the study of Rizal life may limit educators' flexibility and overlook other significant historical figures. They also argue that the law promotes a narrow understanding of Philippine history and neglecting the contribution of other national heroes, like Rubilin said kanina. So there is also a need for a more comprehensive and inclusive approach to teaching Philippine history and national identity. So moro to. Thank you.
So, my answer for the question number 3 is naay ko nakuan nga controversy about religion nga gikuan na Rizal kay because Rizal is anti-Catholic siya because the katong gibuhat sa wait lang.
Oh,
Kay the controversy kay naaya ko nakuan dito nga controversy about religion kay nahimo siyang controversy kay kuan katong anti-Catholic magud si Rizal kay because of ginabuhat sa mga Catholic sa una nga na sila yung mga murag gibuhat na sila nga rule dira murag gibuhat na sila nga kaning natawag murag policy ba murag gibuhat na sila policy nga mao nang sundon sa mga tao na mahala ng mga culture. So mao to ang nahimong controversy. That's all.
So for me is some critics argue that the Rizal Law places excessive emphasis on the study of Rizal life and works, while neglecting others important aspect of Philippine history and culture. Ana lang. Thanks.
yes,
So,
Marjorie.
one of the primary controversies surrounding the Rizal Law stems from katong sa religious opposition, particularly from certain Catholic groups. Some critics argue that the Rizal works in the curriculum undermines the teachings and authority of the Catholic Church.
So that's all for the module 15. And thank you.